We're ITS here at InfoComm 2016. We're here displaying our R&R, which is our resource and room booking system for any loanable equipment in corporate, education, public sectors. So what I'll be showing you today is a quick example of how you reserve an item. Okay, so as an example, I can show you a list of the available items the user has access to reserve. Okay, so the user can select from any of these available items, or they can run a search if they know what they'd like. So for this example, I'm going to reserve an LED television. So I'll select my resource type, which is the LED television. This brings up a nice description of the item. The user also has the ability to drill down their search based on certain properties associated with this item. For example, if they know they want a 55-inch screen, they can select that here. Okay, they also have the option to see what models are available. So we have an LG, we have a Samsung, we have a Sony 4K Ultra HD. So for this particular example, I'll select a Samsung. Once I've selected my television, I can then define when I want this item. So I'll select it for Monday the 13th. The time that I want this item, and also the duration. So this particular item is set up so that it's bookable by minutes or hours, shall we say. However, you can specify that items are bookable by days. So I'm going to select a full hour, and now I'm going to run a search. So this is essentially searching to see whether this item is available on this day at that time. Okay, it seems to be, so I'll add the booking. Okay, so a breakdown of your booking can be seen here with the option to add related items. So it works similar to a shopping basket. If you select the main item that you want, and then you can add things such as HDMI cable. I'll confirm that. That item will now reside in this booking here. Beneath that, we have a booking instructions. All the text here is fully customizable. Okay, so we've gone with something really generic here for example purposes. I'm happy with the booking, so I'll confirm it. Okay, what we're seeing now is a booking terms and conditions. This is asking the user to agree to these terms and conditions by entering a form of digital signature or e-signature. Okay, so what the user will have to do, because they're authenticating using things such as LDAP, Active Directory, you re-enter your AD password, verify that, okay, and accept the booking. So the last thing the user will see is this booking message saying thank you, your booking's now been made. There are also some return instructions here. Again, these are fully customizable, so the text can include whatever you want. And my booking has been made. So at any time, the user can manage their bookings here in the My Bookings tab. This will give them a nice overview of all of their future bookings. Okay, so it's broken down by department or faculty, shall we say, and it will show you the date and time. So from this page, we can also modify the booking as well. So if you change your mind, or if you need to alter the time of your booking or the day, you can from here. Okay, if you forget to add related items, you can also add that at a later date. Okay, so you can edit that here, or you can simply remove the booking should you no longer require this item. Okay, so that really concludes the brief walkthrough of R&R. For further information, feel free to visit the website.